Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 isn't picking up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a clogged filter, a blocked hose, or a faulty trigger. If left unattended, it can lead to reduced performance and may cause permanent damage to your vacuum. To prevent further complications, let's dive into the repair process. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson V10. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and disconnected from the charger. Begin by removing the dustbin from the main body. Press the release button and pull it away gently. Next, you will need to locate the screws securing the main casing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, making sure to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this may damage the plastic clips. Now, you should be able to see the trigger mechanism. Look for any signs of wear or damage, as this is likely the culprit. If you spot a fault, take your tweezers and carefully disconnect any cables attached to the trigger. Make a note of where each cable connects for reassembly. Next, remove the faulty trigger by unscrewing it from its housing. Take your new trigger and position it correctly, making sure it aligns perfectly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring you don't over-tighten. Reconnect any cables you detached earlier, double-checking their positions. Now, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align it with the main body and gently press it back into place until you hear a click. Replace the screws to secure the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, reattach the dustbin and give your vacuum a test run. If everything is working correctly, you should see an improvement in suction. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and check the hoses for blockages. It's also a good idea to perform routine maintenance on your Dyson V10. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.